Go. You rappers get ignored, me I'm who they checking for.
Today, you will learn how to link CSS and HTML sheets together using one line of code.
Woo!
Currently on the screen, we have a standard HTML sheet pre-made, as well as a pre-made CSS sheet. This is just so we notice the changes once the code is applied later on in the video. Now if we check the live preview to see our current raw HTML site, it's pretty. To make the page a little more pretty, we must link our cascading style sheet. On our HTML document, within the head area, we must type the following code. Now, I understand this is confusing without an explanation, so allow me.
Go ahead.
The link tag is opened when we want to link an item to the sheet. It is a self-closing tag, meaning all of the code is on the same line and only one tag is used. href stands for hyperlink reference and is where we tell the device to get the file from. To href, we just type the file name or location. Finally is rel. This part of the code gets the HTML document to ask what relevance the sheet has. In this case, we explain it is a style sheet. Do not forget to close off the code with a / and a less than operator. This completes the line for it to run. Again, if we check the web page's live preview, we should see some changes.
Yeah, he's good.
If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them below in the comment section. Otherwise, drop a like and subscribe to see some more content. Until next time.
Go.